Yes, Padma is good. Good place.
Good restaurants.
Good restaurant. Everything is good in Padma Street.
Shopping.
Yeah, very good. Shopping.
Good.
Everything.
Here at RDV. Over 3 levels. Evening, how are you? This is the street. So there's the Oz Hotel in the backdrop there, and then we also have Romeos shoes also. All different brands of training shoes on there. Lots of different handbags available there. Fat Buddha restaurant, it's quite busy inside there in Fat Buddha. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So this evening I'm here in the Legian area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in this evening's video for you is a night walking tour along a section of the street of Jalan Padma Utara. So the starting point for this video tonight is going to be the corner bar and restaurant and where the old Swiss Bell Hotel was, which I think is now called 7, and I'm going to walk all the way through to the Zest Hotel, which is at the end of Jalan Padma Utara and the start of the street of Jalan Workadara. So along this section of street is going to be a nice collection of restaurants, bars, massage spas, lots of shopping also. So I'm just going to give you a general idea of what to expect from this section of street here at Jalan Padma Utara. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a night stroll here at Jalan Padma Utara. Okay, so this is where I finished my last video along the street of Jalan Padma Utara. That's the corner bar and restaurant. Oh la la, will you look at this? We have Sugar Ray's coming along here. Wow. Just in the back here, I just want to inform you, this used to be the Swiss Bell Hotel. It's now changed name. It's got I think it says 7 Legian up above. Not sure what's going on there, I didn't hear about that. In tonight's video we're going to head along this section of street here and work our way through to the Zest Hotel. So just on the corner, as I pointed out in the previous Padma Utara video, we have the Sinna Bali Hotel, which is just down the side street there. I've covered this place in the video. Now we're going to continue walking along Jalan Padma Utara. So we have a collection of tourist goods shops on both sides of the street. We have a tourist booking information centre just on the side there. All your typical tourist goods shops there. Just continuing on, we have a place called Total Cushion if you're looking for any cushions for the home and things. And then just here we have Sammy's restaurant. There's the name up above, Sammy's restaurant. Hello, how are you? There's the inside of Sammy's. There's some of the special menu today. And that's all at Sammy's. Just next door to Sammy's we have Amazing Ink Tattoo Studio. It's just in the back there. Just from Amazing Ink. Now we're going to head back across the street because we have this van unloading here. Just here across on the other side of the street we have a typical tourist goods shop. Looks as though they're closing up or remaking the shop. Has a beautiful collection of ladies' handbags and things in here, and the nice boxes as well. Many different bags available in there. Many more bags and tourist goods in the back there also. Just next door we have a ladies' clothing shop here. Got a nice collection of ladies' dresses in here. Many items all through in the back there. Also some nice ladies' handbags here at the front. Some more nice ladies' handbags here also. Fixed price shop. And then now just across the street here we have Mug Shop Bali. This is a coffee shop, it's already closed. Just in the back there. Just next door we have a Relax Bali Spa. have a place called RDV Bar here. Is it okay I just show this, yeah? Just show you some of what's going on here at RDV. Over 3 levels. It's all through in the back there. And then just continuing, I'm just going to turn back now. So just back across the street we have Kala Spa. Very famous spa this in Bali, has multiple branches. All of the ladies outside there. Hello, good evening, how are you? This is Kala Spa. Just next door to Kala Spa we have a mini mart convenience store. So RDV is there, full look at RDV. We have a Circle K convenience store just there. Just next door to the Circle K we have a Kima Apothec, which is a pharmacy in case you need any headache tablets. And then just on the corner here we have Inner Glow Spa and Wellness and Caf Magnum. So there's the inside of Caf Magnum. Beautiful seating area, and Inner Glow Spa is in the back. Some of the menu. There's the spa. Now just in the back here, just before I forget, this is the Bandha Hotel, also the Bali Nixoma Hotel is down in that direction. We also have the Oz Hotel in the back there. Now I'm just going to come back out onto the street. Just across the street we have Coffee Terry, which is a coffee shop. It's already closed for the evening now this. I'll just show you the name, so you know the name. There's the name, it's just closing up now, Coffee Terry. Nice little seating area out of the front here also. And then just across the street, so there's the Oz Hotel in the backdrop there, and then we also have Romeos. It's a very popular restaurant, Romeos.
Good night, boss. How are you?
I'm good, how are you? What's your name?
Good, good day.
G'day.
From Bali.
Oh, nice to meet you, G'day.
Nice to meet you.
When is Padma Utara a good place for tourists to stay?
Yes, Padma is good. Good place.
Good restaurants?
Good restaurant, everything is good in Padma Street.
Shopping?
Yeah, very good. Shopping.
Good.
Everything.
Good. Thank you so much, brother.
Yes, you're welcome, boss.
Just cut across the street to Romeos and just give you a look. I've covered the inside of this in my day walking videos. Very nice place inside this. Nice seating along the roadside here. Just across there we have a place called Jean's Place, already closed. We have Nopi Nopa Spa and Salon in the back there. Have Elite Bali Tour Office, tour booking. Just across the street here we have Bali Aussie. However, we'll take this place in first. This is a new place. It's called Slushy King. Got all the slushies in the back there. Can't see what's on the thing there. And then just in the back here we have the Bali Aussie. Very popular restaurant this. All the way through there. Just continuing along the street here we have the Mandala leather collection. It's just in the back there, lots of leather handbags and things in there I see. Just across the street here we have Beach Melate Apartments. Haven't covered this place, but I believe this is a very nice place to stay. It's just down that alleyway there. Just next door to Beach Melate we have a Coco Express, which is a convenience store. And then just across the street here we have a place called Bali Bondi. Very popular restaurant this. There's quite a few customers inside there. Just continuing on from Bali Bondi. We have iBud Tattoo Studio just in the back here. Have Luna Spa across the street here. Just give you a look at the name, Bali Bondi. This is a place called Luna Spa. There's a few customers in the back there. It's the name. There's all the treatments available here at Luna Spa. Just next door to Luna Spa we have Guardian Pharmacy. Another place if you've had too much sunshine and need some headache tablets. So we have a continuation of all the tourist goods shops across the street there. Just zoom in on this one here. This has got a beautiful collection of handbags and things, and this one, nice collection of training shoes also. All different brands of training shoes on there. Also a big, nice collection of handbags. Lots of different handbags available there. Also has a nice collection of perfumes, men's and ladies. Many items in there. And then just coming across the street we have the Away Bali Legian Hotel. It's just in the back there. I'll just show you the name. It's the name. And more tourist goods shops also across the street there. Just next door to that we have a place called Bali Legian. Take you across the street and show you the name. It's a name up above, Bali Legian. There's a few customers sat inside there at Bali Legian, some waiting to go inside. Hello! Here's a bit of the special promo menu. It's a little bit dark, we can't see that. Just continuing along the street here. Just here we have the Fat Buddha restaurant. It's quite busy inside there, Fat Buddha. Hello. A few customers in there. Have a Danamon ATM machine there. We have a Padma medical service in the back there in case you need any medical treatment. Just in the back there. We have Last Bali Spa just in the back here. Or the massage spa, or Let's Bali Spa, sorry it's called. Has Let's up above and Last on the window, so I'm not sure of the name. Just here we have a big collection of tourist goods shops. This one's got another big collection of handbags and things again there. Many things in the back. It's also got some suitcases if you need any suitcase, if you're overloaded with luggage. Nice collection of goods all in the back there. Just continuing on, we have another tourist goods shop here. This one's got a nice collection of caps. Beautiful collection of caps in there. We also have some nice sunglasses as well. Different pairs of sunglasses. Just continuing on, we have quite a big collection of tourist goods shops here. And then now we're coming to the end of this street here. Another one with a nice collection of ladies' handbags and things in there. And then now we've arrived at the Zest Hotel. There's the name. I've covered this place in a video. Nice hotel. So just on the corner here we have the Jalan restaurant attached to the Zest. Some live music in there. A few tourists in the back there. Send Off in Mass restaurant across the street there, and then this is the street of Jalan Padma Utara. Okay, so that concludes tonight's video, my night stroll here along the marvellous tourist and very popular tourist street here in Jalan Padma Utara. So as you've seen with the camera in tonight's video, you've got a fabulous collection of accommodations along this street, fabulous collection of restaurants also, and it's also an absolutely fabulous place for shopping. So on that note, hope you enjoyed this evening's video, hope some of you find this video useful and maybe want to pay this area of Legian on Padma Utara a visit during your holiday stay here in Bali, and I shall say bye for now.